Hey guys, what's up? This is AJ and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, I recently purchased the iPad mini 6 and I was looking out for accessories, and in the Apple website I came to know that the second generation of Apple Pencil 2 costs around 10,000 rupees, and the smart folio case that comes with the mini 6, that is for mini 6, comes around 5,500 rupees. And guys, I definitely can't afford all those items after I have purchased the mini 6, so I started looking for alternatives. I kept few items in my wish list, and today is 2nd October. The time is 1 p.m. and I had those items in my Amazon wish list, and the Great Indian Sale is going on, and I have already purchased few items, and I definitely wanted you guys to check that out as well if you have got the iPad mini 6 and looking for iPad mini 6 accessories at a reasonable price. So yes, let's get started with the video. And one more thing, I'll be providing the links to all the items that I'll be showing today in the description down below, so go ahead and grab those whatever you like before the deal runs out or the deal is ended, guys. And I'm telling you, there is like huge discounts going on for the items. Yeah, so let's get started with the video. So let me first unlock my machine and hop onto Amazon. I have already logged in to my account. First of all, let me go to Apple India website and check the prices of the items we have for iPad. So iPad and iPad mini 6 and accessories. Okay, so Apple Pencil second generation 10,900, and Smart Folio cases 5,500 in Apple's website. And also screen protector is required, and I don't think it is available in here. So first let me go and check the Apple Pencil pricing and the Smart Folio case, if it is available in Amazon, what might be the price. Not available, but I did see Apple Pencil 2 with some discount in Amazon, so let's go and check. Okay, as you can see, the Apple Pencil 2 is at 8,999. But guys, I am not going to pay that much huge amount for a pencil. So right below, yes, this is the product that I was looking for from so many days, and it was at a price of 2,999, and as I can see now it's priced at 1,999. And if you can see the ratings, this is like a absolutely good purchase, alternative for the Apple Pencil 2. And we have a type C port to charge this up. And what I know is, if you just touch on the top part, it will turn and turn off accordingly. Yes. And also there is a 100 rupees voucher for this. So as you can see, I had purchased this today morning itself for 1899. This is what I purchased for 1899. And coming to the case again, if I go back to iPad mini 6 case, there are quite a few good options, but the one that I chose is this particular one. So new tab. And guys, I was following up on this from quite a few days, and this was around, the price was around 1,100 rupees, but as you can see now it's the deal and we are getting it at 8,899. So definitely this is also a good purchase, and I went for this color, which is the dark green. I did not want to go with the basic ones or the light ones, because the light colors may get spoiled too soon. So I just went with this particular color. Yeah, and it's the dark green. And again, I purchased it today morning itself. And so we are done with the pencil, the alternative, and the case. And now coming back to screen protectors, I'll just go and screen protector. Yes, and here also we have from the same company. This is the one. This is the same company which from which I bought the case. So they are selling the screen protector as well. And today morning it was priced at around 809 rupees. I purchased it for 809, and currently the price is 854. And as you can see, the MRP is 1399, but it comes around 8999 or 9999. It varies. So we get two cases and also a guide to fix it on the Mini. And yes, that would be all, guys. So I hope this video is very helpful. Let me show you again what all items have I purchased. Let me summarize this. So okay, the screen protector is from ESR, the case is from ESR as well, and the pencil is from Tuxer company. So the Tuxer pencil, it usually comes around 2999, but I got it at a deal of 1899. For the ESR case, again it was the price varies, and I got it for 899. Usually it's like 1100 rupees, and the tempered glass I got it for 809, which usually comes around 899 or 999, 900 or 1000 bucks. Yes. So yeah, rather than getting the Apple Pencil second generation, I got all the required things for my iPad Mini 6 in like half of the price. So guys, please go ahead, and if you have already purchased the iPad Mini 6 and you're looking for accessories, these are the ones I would definitely suggest. And apart from this, there are few other cases if you want to. Mama! Hey Mama! So ESR companies have quite a few number of cases. This is the one that I have purchased. There is another one, the clear case without the flap. It is around 899. All the prices have reduced. Let me check if there is a deal going on this. So no deal. Yeah, it is usually at 899 only. Apart from that, there is this hybrid case. Again, this was around 1999, but yes, we have a coupon, and now it will be around less than 1600, I guess. So yeah, this is how the case would look. Oh, and it's magnetically attached. There is a magnetic case as well for this. I'll show you. Yes, and this is also on a deal price. We are getting it at 1300 rupees, and this also has the flap cover, but here we have the magnetic pad that gets attached to the back. And also we have a folio type case, which again is on a limited time deal. So guys, I will be linking all these items in the links in the description down below. Definitely you need to go ahead and purchase the ones that you need as soon as possible, else the deal might get ended or people might claim the deal to 100%. So yeah, I hope guys this video was helpful. If yes, please give a thumbs up, share with your friends and family who have already purchased the iPad Mini 6 and looking out for the accessories at a reasonable price. And yeah, last but not the least, the subscribe button, guys. Please hit that subscribe button to get more of this amazing content. I hope you liked it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.